We have a float plane flying field now. Boy, it's enough to get it up though.
He come out with his 0-turn motor all.
You're going to have to start hiring him now and let him do it.
Got enough damn mowers, I ought to be able to do it myself.
They all sold.
Yeah, the Viper, they have it on pre-order. You can order it right now.
Okay.
The F-16, it just says back order.
Dave put floats on his Cub because we've been having a lot of rain out here at the field. So he's going to take off from the field with these floats. We got a little spot here that's got water in it. We'll see if there's enough water. There it is. Can't hardly tell there's water there. Uh-oh. Just maybe there's not quite enough water. Oh yeah, there is. I saw the stream of water coming behind the floats. Let's see if we can get to the lake. It puts the brakes on, don't it? Back to the lake. Did it? There's our lake right ahead. He's going to try to land in it again. Yep, didn't quite make it. Yeah, it's just barely enough to make it. Flatten down the grass. It's making a runway. Shallow lake runway. He's going to try a river landing this time. Woo! Close! Saw water splashing. Oh, I think he slid right into it. Yeah, he's in it. Oh, that was pretty neat. It is working though. Wow, that was the best one yet.
He said he finally talked the guy to get rid of the home lights because they never could get them to run.
Yeah. The ones that gave me the worst fit back in, I'm talking about in the 60s.
Smooth little shit.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Woo!
Dave's about ready to duck.
Did it go up the driveway?
Yeah, he's up the driveway. He's still on the field and he's taxiing back.
He went clear to the turn.
I thought Dave was going to roll out of that chair.
I was watching his truck. I knew where it was.
The other side is the runway. That's the driveway. Quieter, but still loud. Cutting grass.
That made her cut some grass.
Well, she's a blubbering pretty good downstream. Dropped a couple thousand RPM.
Yep, it's getting richer, it sounds like.
It's not bad for 40-year-old fuel, is it?
I'm waiting for the wings to go.
Yeah, me too, Doug.
That was that good one.
Oh, there went the muffler. There went the muffler. It's on the field. It's on the field. Yeah.
You got dry, Brent? it does sound louder.
Yeah, it's got a lot louder as soon as you
Don't seem to be running any different though. Let's get ready to quit though.
quit there. Did the whole thing come off or just the tail of it?
Oh shit, the whole muffler came off.
Broke the strap, didn't it?
Yeah, strap, muffler and all's gone.
Oh, they found it.
No adapter.
Oh, I never thought of that. Now we found the muffler. Just for the engine or whole plane?
Just for the, I'll give you the $25 off the $75 you're gonna buy that.
Use the driveway.
Back out to the lake.
Get it wet.
Uh-oh. Not quite as much water as there was. Got more water in this puddle. Whoa! Whoa!
Yep, well, of course I wasn't very good.
I think I saw something fly over my...
Well, he definitely didn't show me.
Nice.
I'm sure Everett could do
Coming
one
right
of
on the
those.
wheels that time, didn't you?
Cheap ass fucking deal. Yeah, 20-minute job took 2 days.
If you and we changed, we never had much trouble.
Need for speed time.
Did you ever change that?
Yeah, I've changed them before. Yeah, I did them on Dad's car. And my aunt had one just like it. We had to change. They came out halfway decent. We never had much trouble like that with them.
Mine's a 2008.
One Dad had, I've got now. It's a
What do
2000.
you got in that thing, Jeff?
Just one of our combat wing motors.
I know, but what kind of battery?
Oh, just 1500 3-cell. Wow, that other speed controller must not have been really working good at all, because it's even faster than it
Oh
was.
yeah, it's faster than it was last time you saw it.
That's the tree.
Yeah, I don't think it'll come
Wow.
out in one piece if you hit something.
Nope.
It does. Jeff, that's not our combat engine. That's a 2800,
Oh, it is the 2700 kV one.
28700.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
It's the same part number though. Well, it's -7, I think.
Yeah,
Instead of
rather
6.
than 6.
That's a little bit bigger motor.
More. No, it's the same size except it's a higher kV.
2700 instead of 2200.
Yeah. You're not hitting full throttle there, are you?
No.
Sun's coming, or the wind's hitting me in the face, Jeff.
Yeah, you need to come
Oh yeah.
I'm missing the other
down
end.
the long end then.
No,
No.
to your left. From
I feel it in my back.
Yeah.
Going that way.
Another battery charge.
Oh, is that your stuff going off?
Yeah.
I kept hearing somebody's crazy.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold her up, hold her up, hold her up. There you go.
Slider
Nice
on.
job. Nice job.